Good morning, I'm Tony Gasling, CEO of AMCAD Engineering, and today we are at European Microwave Week in order to display a new demo of power amplifier measurement. So here the software IQSTAR enabled to drive any kind of instrument such as vector network analyzer, spectrum analyzer, and so on. And this is why it's become more and more complex today, because engineers have to optimize the RF performances, but they also need to have specific skills for digital control. So in this application, we have an RF transceiver, on-the-shelf RF transceivers, which is driven by an FPGA. And these RF transceivers will generate modulated signals in 5G-like operating conditions. And this 5G signal will be then sent to the device, and we will then measure the output power with these modulated signals. Because we are in 5G, we are dealing with very wideband modulated signal, and it's very important to optimize the performance in terms of linearity. This is why in IQSTAR, we have a schematic where we have the bench control, and we can go now to this menu, the IQ menu, where we will generate the modulated signal with several carrier channels. So here it's a 5G application signal where we have concurrent channels working simultaneously, and this signal is generated by the RF transceiver. So in that case, it's a transceiver from analog device, and we control the signal in order to send this one to the device under test reference plane. That is to say, even if you are not an expert, you can take easily the control of this setup, controlling the waveform generator, because we have different menu here in order to tune the modulated signal, and you can easily send this signal to the device under test. Then we are measuring the output signal, again with the vector signal transceiver, and we display the RF performances. In this case, we have a DPD algorithm. It's a GMP model which has been used in order to linearize the performances. So there is a kind of post-processing on the digital data in order to optimize the performance between linearity and efficiency. And then once you have all this data, you can easily plot the measurement into a kind of measurement report where we can see the different performances, for example. So it's a kind of dynamic measurement report when you can display the RF performances versus different criteria. Versus frequency, you can slide, for example, a slider in order to change the frequency value. You can optimize the different scenario which has been used, and all is done dynamically into the measurement report. So it's also very convenient to share the data with customers, with colleagues, and so on. So just to conclude this brief introduction, IQSTAR is a software which really solves all the problems for customers when they want to control RF transceiver with FPGA, and they want to have an experience as a measurement, benchtop measurement grade, let's say, experience. It really helps the customers this way. I hope you enjoy this quick demo, and obviously if you want to learn more, just contact us. Thank you very much.